You ever wear Kydex all day long and you're in the heat, you're hot, you're sweaty, the Kydex is digging into you. It's just irritating. It's not that it's scratchy, but it's irritating. Well, here's the answer. I have the answer to your problems here. You can buy this stuff on Amazon. It's like 3/16 neoprene with a backing that's self-adhesive. You just put your holster up to it, cut out a square. Then you take a pen and you trace around it. Now you make sure when you do this that you push up against the holster, because Kydex has, the little grooves, and you want to make sure that you cover it. So then you end up with this pattern right here. It's just a little bit bigger than the width, because we're going to push that back into the grooves. Take your scissors, and cut it. And you just cut it out, cut the shape out. I don't know if you can see that. If I was really fancy, I would get an X-Acto knife with a swivel on it and just cut it out like that, like leather guys do. But I'm not a leather guy, and I'm just making a video. So I'm cool with it. And we're almost done here. See, the trick is that what you're going to do is you're going to get this neoprene, and it has its own backing on it with a sticky glue at backing. Then you take your holster and your cut and see how it fits, like that. Lay it down on its back, peel off the backing. And then you lay it on top of your holster very carefully. You start from one side so you can work it over the lumps. And run your finger down into the slots so that it's all and see what I'm doing? I'm working it in so that it's up against the holster itself. And then if I want to, I can take my scissors and trim around the edges a little bit. one little spot right here. And then you just run your finger over it a lot. Make sure it's all pressed in tight and sticky. There's a little spot here. And there you have it. Okay? Now you don't have Kydex plastic against you. You got a piece of neoprene. Neoprene's great. It's spongy. It doesn't stick to you. It's great when you sweat. And I would just let it sit there and let the glue dry onto it really good. Now when I put it inside, it's rubbing up against neoprene and I'm not rubbing up against Kydex. And I like that because Kydex is uncomfortable as far as I'm concerned. I like the way it retains things, but I hate the way it feels up against my skin, especially all day on a hot summer day. So with that, that's your lesson for the day. Patriot Zero out.